Hi everyone, Chris with Dream Build and Fly here. As a result of a request online a little while back, we came up with this simple 3D printed tool to help you apply T-pins. If you're using T-pins to build scratch build model aircraft, basically it's a T-pin pusher. It helps you push the pins into the balsa and actually helps you pull them and recover them. It's a neat little tool. It worked out quite well. It's got a small rare earth magnet embedded into it. So basically it will hold the pin in and it will actually capture the pin when you pull it out. If you get a pin in a really tight spot, there's a little puller on the back to help you pull it out that way. Basically, we have put this file online previously, but we're just going to link it up so that if you are interested in printing this tool and using it for your scratch building purposes, you'll know where to find it. As always, dream, build, and fly.